We'll guide you through how to use the Stripe payment processor to manage your online transactions. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to Stripe's official website at stripe.com and click on the Sign In button at the top right if you already have an account. If not, click on Sign Up and fill in the required details like your email address, full name, and set a secure password to create your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. To start accepting payments, you need to set up a new payment method. Click on Settings in the right-hand menu, then Payments. Then, click on Add Custom Payment Method and choose from the available options like credit card, bank transfer, or any other supported method. You'll be prompted to enter some details, so follow the instructions carefully. Next, you need to integrate Stripe with your website or app. For this, go to the Developers section and find the API keys. These are essential for connecting Stripe to your platform. Make sure to use the test keys initially to ensure everything is working smoothly without processing actual transactions. You can switch to live keys once you're ready to start real transactions. If you're using a popular e-commerce platform like Shopify or WooCommerce, there are plugins available that make this integration process easier. Simply install the relevant plugin and follow the setup instructions provided by the plugin to connect it with your Stripe account. After integration, you can customize your payment forms and checkout experience through the Settings option to match your brand's look and feel. Don't forget to regularly check the dashboard for transaction updates and insights on how your business is performing. And that's it. You've now set up the Stripe payment processor for your business. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.